Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install eBay mobile app on Android device. To download and install the eBay mobile app on an Android device, follow the steps. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device, and in the search bar at the top over here, type eBay and enter it. And we could see the eBay app right over here. Tap on that, and you need to tap on the install button to begin downloading the app. Once the app is downloaded, tap the open button to launch the eBay app and follow the on-screen instruction to sign into your eBay account or create a new account if you do not have one. And after signing in, you can start using the eBay app to browse, buy and sell items. And make sure your device is connected to the internet and has enough storage space to download and install the app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.